So Niladri sir,
Yeah.
loser today has to recreate Main Gareeb Hoon TikTok. How do you feel about that?
Well, that's what you're saying. However, since I'm going to be the winner, it's going to be you who's going to be doing that, buddy.
After the video ends, after the shoot, I'll be assisting you. I'll be helping you make मैं गरीब हूँ.
Hello, check.
Hello,
Check,
check.
Cool.
Check.
I have no need for the headphones.
हाँ, subscribers. Please subscribe कर दें, वो जरूर बता दें.
Subscribe. That's it. That's a different plea for subscribers. Please subscribe करने बोलो ना, subscribe. It's turn away.
3, 2, 1, action.
I see Niladri's face. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. Why are you doing that?
Fuck, I'm giving you guys a cue. You're not even taking it seriously.
आप
We are
इतना
taking
seriously
seriously,
देख रहे थे
but
कैमरा
हाँ,
की
आप
तरफ, हाँ. जैसे कि
ऐसे करके you're like a camera trying to focus. All right, welcome to Normie 7, the 7th episode of the series, where every day we react to things which are pretty interesting. We wouldn't say everything is bad like that. What are you guys doing?
अरे इसने book
अरे क्या
क्या हुआ?
आप बात कर रहे हो ना तो मीटिंग में नहीं होता डर के.
Just go get your book. I only
Done?
gave you the pen.
Let me explain to people कि क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Okay, so this is just to recap. This is a series where we react to pretty interesting thing. Each week, one of us hosts the episode. The other two face off against each other because this is not just a reaction video. It's also two people competing against each other to predict things which doesn't matter at all. Joining me, Normie 1, Niladri Bose. People already know us.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm guessing.
Asshole. Let's tell people what they already know.
But then I have to describe you as Harami. That's Rohan Karyappa, whose channel it is. Last 2 episodes we were reacting to TikTok. Pehले episode mein Niladri won it, which was quite surprising, to be honest. A hard fought
Always
match. Second one, Rohan won a pretty one-sided match.
Always.
Achha, today we'll react not to TikTokers, not to rappers. Sorry guys. But we'll react to interesting dancers, dance performances, or dance forms.
Okay.
That's what we'll react to. I've got 9 odd videos.
Okay.
And इसमें क्या होगा कि हम लोग हर एक में subscriber या views guess करने नहीं बोलेंगे. We'll do a different things. And इसमें sometimes rules will change. As host and judge, my decision is final. And if I tell you किसी कोई video pause नहीं कर सकते, you can't pause it.
Yeah.
If I tell you, okay, so basically you can't pause the videos today unless I tell you, or unless you ask my permission.
This
तो
is-
एक सेकंड वीडियो इज रनिंग मैं
Yeah.
बोलूं
हाँ, that's it.
और फिर आपका अप्रूवल का वेट करना है.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Rules are rules, brother.
Okay. Or if there is any video you can pause, I'll tell you पहले कि इसको pause कर सकते हैं करके आप, ठीक है? Having said that, today we're going to do a change in rules. A lot of people suggested that क्योंकि पहले जो जा रहा था इंसान, the next person would guess somewhere around and would win it. So this time both of you are going to write it on paper.
Yep.
And then once you're done, you will show.
Okay.
Up for grabs, of course. The taste of Coorg hamper, our sponsor and the only one I might add. What is that? You guys show it.
We have pepper powder
Spices.
and cardamom. Yes, today we have spices in store.
Awesome.
Cardamom and pepper powder.
Yeah.
Achha,
And these are Coorg pepper and Coorg cardamom.
of course, it's from
Authentic
Taste
one.
of Coorg. It will
Yeah.
be odd if they put Japanese products in there. Should we do another tagline for
Yes.
Taste of Coorg?
Yeah.
It's your department. Go for it.
If you think that tastes wonderful, you haven't tasted the taste of Coorg. What do you think?
We used to make fuck all ads in 1970s. So it used to be like this.
I cater to the erotica genre. These are dance videos, interesting dance videos
Okay.
from across the world, not only India. Let's go with the first one.
Oh, you almost killed the kid.
You can pause the video if you want.
Let's finish this.
Do you think this guy would have got beaten up back home? When he goes back
No,
home?
right after the video was shot, he was belted, and he landed himself in an ICU. I mean, who calls people like this to a wedding?
वहाँ पे चिकन बना हुआ है, यूं कर रहा था. What
Yeah,
was that?
he did a backflip and he almost killed that kid. that kid came for some ice cream and was almost met by death. I mean, who the
ये वाला
fuck?
बंदा भी देखो ना. He is here to talk something serious. जब उसको लात पड़ी, कुछ डिस्कस कर रहा था खाने वाले से.
अभी करेगा. वो बात करेगा.
सोचो, आप बिजनेस मीटिंग कर रहे हो, आपकी टांग यहाँ से एक सामने से टांग वहाँ पे.
Oh God, this guy.
But you have to say that this old guy had a lot of energy. I generally don't advocate violence against old people, but this guy should. This guy should be. As he goes back home, his wife is waiting with his belt and just whips him left to right.
funny बात है, वो लात मारता है, बच्चे को सॉरी बोलता है, उसके बाद breaks into that weird move.
But this is the only reason he would be called for weddings at any rural, settings in India.
But he's a dancer.
No, I'm saying I don't know about this guy.
Okay.
No, I think he's dancing randomly. पीके आ नहीं जाता DJ पे. He's one of those.
Dude, he's had a few drinks and he's come in.
Quite a few.
Quite a
Quite a few.
and he's just washing it off. All right, what is the question, Shayan?
Okay, so गाने में जो म्यूजिक सुना आपने, this is not related to the dance. गाने में जो म्यूजिक सुना आपने, that was a track from the movie भूल भुलैया. हरे राम हरे कृष्णा हरे राम. That
आप
one.
सुन सकते हैं वापस?
No. मैं बोल दे रहा हूँ ना.
हाँ, अच्छा.
हरे राम क्या तो मैं झूठ क्यों बोलूँगा?
अच्छा, हाँ,
ठीक है. All right, you've got 10 seconds to answer this question. Take your diaries in your hand. The question is, which year did Bhool Bhulaiya release in?
Oh shit.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10. This is 10 seconds. Okay, what is your answer? 2017.
2008.
I will give this to Rohan. 2007 it released. Ladri, a concept of time and space.
I don't watch many Hindi movies, as you
Bhool
know.
Bhulaiya. You've not not even heard of this movie or what?
No, I mean I know about. No, I haven't. I know about a Bhool Bhulaiya, but
It's
I'm
released in 2017.
17. That's
आप कौन सी टाइप की मूवी देख रहे हो?
And
We're not talking about those kinds of movies.
And Rohan said, "Oh," and all, and then you were very confident.
मैंने देखी इंटरनेट पे देखी है भूल भुलैया.
It's not the date you watched. I think you are missing the whole point of the question.
bad.
How many views does this YouTuber have? 1. First time I watched it today. No, it's not like that.
someone showed me the movie in 2017.
Siladri is like the world moves according to me. Alright, so the first one is done. We'll move on to dance number 2. A really interesting one. This is not bad. This is not cringe.
Okay.
Check this out though.
अबे अच्छा.
What was happening there?
Skate. I think they were wearing some kind of a skate.
Okay, Niladri, what do you think?
Could be skates, roller skates.
They were actually using nothing. These girls are famous for doing a dance where it appears that they are floating on stage while they are actually doing it with their feet. Where the upper body stays
नहीं,
absolutely.
end में.
No.
No. I've heard.
Wait.
These girls have it's.
I thought so पहले, but जब सब move करने लगे fast,
No. They're doing it with their feet. They're
बहुत minimal feet movements के साथ ऐसे आगे. Oh.
Imagine
and it's there.
imagine the calves.
But still,
And-
creative. लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट,
हाँ.
लेकिन उन्होंने बोला हमने एक अच्छा मूव फिगर आउट कर लिया, पूरे डांस में हम वही करेंगे.
And
But yeah, they do other things also. I said.
अच्छा.
and the leg motion is covered by the long
Like the long
middies,
gowns, yeah, so it
gowns
doesn't
that
give
they
away the
wear.
mystery.
Yeah. Very,
It
very
looks like they're floating.
बैले
Yeah.
वॉक की तरह कर रहे हैं क्या कुछ?
हाँ, ballet
वो
walk में
उसको उठा के देखना पड़ेगा अगर इतना डाउट है तो. बैले वॉक कर रहा है. हाँ? पूछना है, देखना है.
yeah.
हाँ.
If no one makes them perform in India, it'll make them perform on a glass stage. Sits right beneath the vessel.
ऐसे देखेगा.
But imagine one of these women just walking into you in the middle of the night like
Scary.
this.
That's scary.
Fuck, I'll shit my pants.
Yeah, that's scary, man.
Oh, the question is country of origin of this dance. You have to write it down. This question is either right or wrong.
Okay.
Can't be close.
I've written already.
Okay, आप music पे ध्यान दो दोनों. You can change your answer.
सुन सकता हूँ मैं?
No, you can't listen. I will hum it for you. ऐसा करके
अबे यार. ओ शिट नहीं, मैं चेंज करना चाहूंगा इसको.
या कोई नहीं. नीलाद्री आप ऐसे लिख रहे हो
हाँ.
कि कंट्री का नाम.
ओके नीलाद्री सर, व्हाट हैव यू?
Okay, you go first. Anyway, same ही तो है.
रशिया.
Okay, you Niladri? Russia. Both of you are right. It is Russia. This is a Russian dance troupe.
हाँ.
कुछ ब्राजील का कुछ तो नाम है.
मैंने
Russian dance
इंग्लैंड
troupe
लिखा
का.
था, आपने ट्यून हम किया तब मेरे को रशिया.
Alright, so we'll go with 2-1.
Hello guys,
You can
it's
pause it if you
Jovan,
want.
and you know what time it is? Disco time. Hang on.
Jesus.
Dance time.
City के गांडू. Fucking. ये क्या है? ये डांस थोड़ी है यार. ये चूतिया है. It's a lonely
Yeah.
fucker.
You
He's
saw how
a-
he does it.
Yeah.
That at the end.
सबसे बेस्ट है वो यूं चल के आता है.
No, I thought he's just gonna do
This
something.
guy, obviously, I like just have to make a psychological profile by seeing this dance. I would say his parents are not super friendly with him.
Yeah, he doesn't have too many.
Too many
Too many
friends as
friends.
well.
हाँ, उसके बाद friends नहीं है.
friends नहीं है.
That's why
नहीं
he's
है.
doing
And he.
all ये सब वीडियो के
Yeah.
साथ, कैमरा के साथ.
हाँ.
हाँ.
He found out internet space and उसको लगा कि इंटरनेट
But-
पे दोस्त
Yeah.
मेरे दोस्त है.
ये इसने अपलोड किया है क्या, या किसी ने इसके फैमिली से अपलोड
So-
किया? That would be interesting to know.
It was uploaded and then deleted later on.
Okay.
But then, of course, once you upload such a masterpiece,
Yeah.
you can't destroy it. What if you walk into your room
Yeah.
and find your son doing this? Just going to the camera and doing this thing all.
I don't advocate that you need to beat up your children.
But you would.
Yeah. I felt like I would keep him in a padded room for days and days and keep coming in, caning him, and then walking out. If
All
he,
of this is a joke, by the way, guys.
हाँ.
but one day if I open the door and he was dancing well, I'll let him go into the.
A
From a
dancer.
scale of 0 to 10,
हाँ.
as a dancer, how good or bad he is?
ये चूतिया है यार. He's like
On a
he's
cringe meter.
Cringe meter.
Cringe meter, like the higher is more cringe, or
हाँ.
Yeah,
There
of
is-
course. What is the
10 on 10, man. He's like.
Okay, the question is, this video was uploaded about 4 years ago
Okay.
on YouTube. It was the original video which was taken down and then this was uploaded.
Okay.
How many views would this video have? All right, one of you go first. Rohan, tu ja. Same ही तो
क्या
है.
है?
2.4 million.
Oh shit, मेरे को थोड़ा कम गेस करना है. 32 million.
32 million. Niladri, you take this point. It's 4.5 million views.
Video number-
Achha, all right, so the score right now is 2-2 after 3 questions.
Yep.
Which is interesting. Video number 4. Ooh.
How is she doing that?
Why? Why?
shoulder up, shoulder up. I said push down that floor and shoulder up, shoulder up. Now push. Simon says go touch your nose. Megan says
Holy shit, dude, she's like, she's not from this world.
my daddy taught me how to do my
Amazing.
Hi, my back is aching. Just looking at it.
Oh god, holy shit.
Imagine this girl is somebody's somebody's girlfriend, and then the parents, they hear the parents walk into the house, and she has to hide somewhere. They never fucking never fucking get where she's hiding.
भाई imagine रात
Any
को ऐसे
Taken
चल
movie,
के आ रही है वो.
Holy
हाँ,
shit.
any Taken movie with this girl as the heroine will never work.
Yeah.
There is no chance anybody can find her in a kidnapping scenario.
But amazing body control or whatever,
Yeah.
flexibility. I
yeah.
mean, you can't tell. She's done things which is impossible.
Yeah, it's देख रहा था गर्दन ऐसा
Yeah,
turn कर रही है.
and-
Fuck, if you take away the audio of
Yeah.
this, only if you could do it, and if you just put black and white and put horror music in the background, this is fucking a scary video. This is
वो
like a
smile
girl.
भी कर रही है आपको ऐसे देख
हाँ
कर.
हाँ, this is a
Yeah.
girl who is possessed. If you
Right.
just do that, this is the girl who is possessed. Imagine a parents telling her कि like Indian parents tell their kids no कि अरे जैसे रोहन पेरेंट्स बेटा इसको वो मुंह से आवाज निकालता है करके रोहन इमेजिन देयर पेरेंट्स टेलिंग कि मेरी बेटी करके दिखाएगी क्या करोगी बेटी देन शी हाइड्स इन द ड्रॉअर इनसाइड
ऐसे मुड़ के एकदम पैनी सी हो जाती है.
Do you know what this act is called?
Contortion.
Contortion. So these people are called contortionists.
Contortionists.
That's of course not the question.
Right.
This is on America's Got Talent.
Okay.
The channel has about 18.6 million subscribers.
Okay.
How many views would this video have?
18 million subscribers.
18.6 million. Just a suggestion to both of you: don't take inspiration from what happens on our channel. That's all I will say. Go ahead. All right, Rohan.
3 million.
Okay, आप क्या लिखे हैं?
16 million.
Rohan wins this. I just said don't take inspiration from what happens on our channel.
मैंने 18.6 बोला ही गुमराह करने के लिए था ताकि
क्या?
मेरे चैनल हमारे चैनल से इंस्पिरेशन लेके कुछ 70 50 ऐसे कुछ बोले.
मैंने
लेकिन आपने
इसीलिए बोला
बोल दिया.
कि हमारे चैनल से इंस्पिरेशन मत
मत
लो.
लो, yeah.
Where our subscriber base and the people who watch the videos,
बट आप मुझे मेरे मेंटल गेम्स क्यों नहीं खेलने दे रहे यार.
हाँ?
मैंने इतना बढ़िया क्वेश्चन, मैंने इतना बढ़िया एक स्टेटमेंट बोला, सच था स्टेटमेंट.
क्या?
आप बीच में एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन मत दो.
मैं तुम दोनों के लिए दिया. It's not
मेरे
that
को
I've
नहीं
given-
चाहिए आपकी इन्फॉर्मेशन, आप किसी को मत दो. मैं इतना
No, as
मुश्किल से
a-
गेम सेट कर रहा हूँ.
As
18
a host,
points.
I will of course give more
Yeah.
information for both of you to make an informed decision.
Yeah, exactly.
Rohan is on the lead 3-2, but the point is, however
Second,
subtle
second,
hints you want to give to Niladri, not take it. They'll not take it. As a college kid, if a girl had even come and told Niladri, "I love you," he wouldn't
Nope.
have gotten it. You love my shirt, you mean? What exactly? Love my voice? What is it? I love you. Yeah. My what? Not get the hints.
वो जब स्ट्रिप कर रही है तो क्या हुआ, गर्मी लग रहा है.
Want me to switch on the fan? It's Chennai. Of course, I know you want to switch on the fan and what. All right, video number 5.
5.
I don't understand why would people come up with these kind of dances.
It's the bamboo dance.
Yeah. It's
Oh,
not,
shit.
It's no. It's
I think
not.
I'm-
That's not the name. That's not the name.
It's called the bamboo dance. It is. In northeast parts of our country, we have this. It's
not from
bamboo
India.
dance.
It's not from India.
But we do have this dance
Yes, we
in
do. We
India.
We can have a kind of this
Same,
dance.
similar dance, but
Yeah.
not the exact same. This video
Huh.
is not from
Right.
the northeast.
But why would why would people come up with the people have dancing and having nice time? Let's fuck it up. We'll put 2 bamboos and we'll try to
Smash
fucking
the legs
trap
in.
you. Yeah, we'll smash your legs. Let's see if you can escape it. But you've also got to be in rhythm.
Yeah.
Rohan, you wouldn't be fair, no? If you were that bamboo band, you just say, let's fuck it
If
up.
you're the one dancing, then no.
हाँ, Rohan, if this is a competition, Rohan will fuck it up.
Yeah.
Like,
Every time I dance, I break a leg.
that's what when they first practice, I'm sure they
Like,
would have
obviously.
smashed their legs and ankles and all.
Apparently, they first do it with ropes.
Then they will fall fucking face flat.
No, it's just done with ropes so that if your
just
feet
touch.
touches, it's just a rope. So once
हाँ,
they,
but ऐसा होगा ना, ऐसा करके
हाँ, वो भी हो सकता है. वो भी हो
तो रिस्क
सकता है.
होता ही
I
है.
have to physically act it out for Niladri to get what I'm saying. All right. So, country of origin of this dance. Write that down. I have to constantly look at Rohan's face like this to see if he's cheating or not.
ठीक है.
Go, Rohan.
तूने देखा क्या already?
नहीं मैंने नहीं देखा.
Okay, cool.
मैं बोला नेपाल.
Nepal. Okay, Niladri.
Philippines.
Absolutely right. It is Philippines.
Yes. See, just make sure that he pauses on that expression. See the look he gave me.
Yeah.
It's Philippines. 3-3.
Yeah, Rohan ki. There is this Akshay Kumar meme, no? Ki jali na, jali na. After every incorrect answer, Rohan ki वैसा वो वाला meme दे सकते हैं अपन.
Shit यार.
Yeah.
Okay, 3-3. It's going good. It's going good.
Equal क्यों चल रहा है यार?
Video number 6.
ओए. अजीब किस्म का.
But there is a method in that madness if you notice.
Yeah, but it is
Yeah.
good in parts. कुछ ओ ये कैसे किया?
It's
And
like
then कुछ
she-
टाइम ऐसे करके बस.
She said she's like,
It's like a
bob-
robot doll type.
bobble doll.
Initially it was. उसके बाद it turned
But,
weird.
no, but
Very
she
weird.
had some.
Humans are so bored. With same dance now we'll mimic that.
No, but this I
Like
thought
a
was,
garbage
I
can,
thought
huh?
this was cool. Yeah, she had some rhythm and she had.
Of course, she's a good dancer.
Yeah. And
But
I'm-
the
But
dance
again,
form was
not
little
a
weird.
yeah, not a dance that you do at your cousin's birthday. Another one of those. Everybody's like,
इसको क्या हो गया?
cool. This तो कोई नहीं बता पाएगा. The reason I told you can't pause a video
Okay.
is because when this video have you closed on the video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When this video starts, they show on the big screen the name of the event or the competition. Can you guys recollect that?
नहीं, no chance. I can't. चलो.
You want to give it a shot?
I predict-
Write down. Give it a shot. When she walks into the stage, because मुझे और कुछ नहीं मिला इसके बारे में पूछने का. I have no idea who that lady is. Okay, let me help you. It's a 4 word name for the event. Niladri, the way you've written it down, I think you've written 2 letters or something. When Niladri is wrong, his confidence is the highest. Okay,
It's
Rohan, you go.
4 letters. Yeah.
Yeah, बताओ.
4 word, I said, not letters. Write down.
Hey, it's done यार. अब
Write
कितना
down, write
chance
down.
दे रहे हो
Nobody-
यार?
Yeah. So if letters are put together, no, then it forms a word. If words are put together, sentence.
I don't know. I just got this.
हाँ, cool. You say.
अरे आप दिखा दो ना क्या है?
Same ही तो है, तू दिखा ना. निलाद्री का गलत हो गया इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
South Korea got talent.
But I don't think she was South Korean.
Yeah, if you had to put, you can put
I know,
anything. No.
but दो अब देखो got
हाँ.
talent were 2 words. आपने बोला 4 word का है, तो मैंने फिर
4 word.
एशियन कंट्री सोची इसके 2 वर्ड
I,
what
I
is it?
definitely grabbed one word.
हाँ.
And that was pricks. P-R-I-X.
But पॉइंट नहीं दे सकते एक वर्ड
कैसे नहीं दे सकते? अगर हम लोग व्यूज पास होके
हाँ तो
point दे
इसमें
सकते
आपने
हैं.
बोला था you can either be correct properly or
No.
wrong.
I never said this
No.
about this
ए
track.
नहीं
No,
यार
not for this.
Because this, otherwise nobody will get it.
Yeah.
This, otherwise there is no chance
It's
all you
bricks.
can get it.
I got
It's
the last
Youth
America.
America Grand Prix.
Grand Prix.
यार, अब-
Oh, Grand Prix. Sorry. I
So
तो आप
you
free
got.
के लिए दे रहे हो
So I'm going to give you 0.5 for this.
ठीक है
Okay.
All right,
3.5 to 2 now.
No, What you're saying?
I'm in the lead.
3-2. No, Rohan was in the lead. No.
I was in the lead.
No, hold on. 3-3 it was. So it's
You fucking cheating, sitting right next to me.
okay. I'm going to give you 3.5 to 3. That's the score now. All right. I'm going to give you 5.5 for this. Then move on to number 7 now.
This is some next level body fitness. Oh, yaar. Holy shit. Jeez. Awesome.
Do you think every time they go on stage, their balls just look at each other like
Veer se.
just every time they're on stage, the ball. How are you protecting your genitals?
So I think they do it over
The proper technique.
No, and also I don't think you start this at the age of 20, 21. You start this when you're way younger.
तो?
So obviously,
Muscle बन जाते हैं
the
वहाँ पे।
muscle नहीं बन जाता है. Your body adapts to.
Yeah, because in China when
It's not you can do this dance with a hard on.
Huh.
You can't just walk in. You know, you would have conditioned.
Okay, ठीक है.
Or
Explain
do they
मत करो.
tie it down somewhere? I
They
don't
could have. They could constrict it also using constrictors. Because
Yeah.
if a cricketer is wearing abdomen guard,
But the kind of dress they wear,
हाँ,
I don't think they have space.
Or maybe they have a good technique जिससे वो बचा लेते हैं.
whatever it is, it'll be a very
Or they probably
Very
put
difficult.
it,
indigenous,
probably
authentic.
paste it towards the upper part of the body. So everything so that. But
हाँ.
all right, so this dance originates in
Maharashtra.
मतलब Indian dance,
Indian,
correct?
okay.
Cool. Now this dance is called.
That's
No?
that's the
No, that's not the question.
Malkham.
Question is?
Achha, this one is taking. I know. Malkham में kham word means pole.
Correct.
हाँ.
What does the word mal, which comes from the word malla, mean?
अबे यार एक मल का मतलब मुझे पता है बट हाउ इज इट कनेक्टेड टू दिस एक मल तो मैं जानता हूँ क्या होता है
Malmutra. This is definitely not. Shit on a pole can't be the one.
हाँ आई थिंक आई हैव माई आंसर आई थिंक या
Cool. You show, Rohan.
रेसलिंग
हाँ, Liadri? Not wrestler. What is it?
I said it, that piece of clothing.
Oh, no. The answer is Malla means wrestler.
Wrestler.
So it's 4 and 3.5.
4 and 3.5.
बाय थैंक यू
Do you want to guys want to answer one more question about this?
डोंट हैव टू ब्रेक दिस इफ इट रिमेन्स इंटैक्ट
Yeah, yeah,
रिकॉर्ड
yeah.
अदरवाइज इट लॉट देखना मैं आवाज कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा
Video number 8.
Look at the feet movement, man.
But I don't find this dance very good looking.
But
इट
I-
इज फैसिनेटिंग
No, it's-
थोड़ा हिप्नोटिक है कि ये कैसे जा रहा है ये कैसे जा
Yeah,
रहा है
but the thing is-
बट इट्स नॉट प्रिटी
but it's skill, man. It's
Yeah,
skill.
hand
so,
movements थोड़ा ऐसे-
so Niladri, even me moving my ears is a skill, suppose.
हाँ करके दिखा
But-
दो एक बार कैमरे पे
हाँ.
हाँ
But I'm just saying it's not like
It's not a pretty skill.
I'm saying, yeah, probably you could have done something with your upper body as well. My point is, upper body से भी कुछ करता है. Upper body is just moving like this. It's like kung fu हो रहा है और नीचे आप it's moving too far.
रोड रनर की तरह.
road runner, yeah.
They should be footballers or runners, no? These guys. I don't think Usain Bolt also can do
का नाम
this.
क्या है?
बताएंगे आपको. पहले बताओ कंट्री ऑफ ओरिजिन क्या है, लिख डालो आप लोग.
अरे रे.
बहुत ही रॉन्ग है तो मैं आई विल गिव यू हिंट्स, बट गो अहेड, अटेम्प्ट द फर्स्ट कंट्री कम्स टू योर माइंड. उनके चेहरे भी याद करो, उनके फिगर याद करो.
So the country closest wins.
नो.
It has to be the right answer.
हाँ,
Yeah,
ठीक है.
otherwise I have to
ठीक है.
figure out a world map now.
हाँ.
All right, Rohan, go.
Egypt.
Okay, you.
Turkey.
None of you are right. Country. Okay, hint number 1. Now, whoever shouts out the name of the country. Okay.
Why is this a nice video? हाँ.
This country was a part of the former Soviet Empire.
कजाकिस्तान.
No. All right, you want to take one more guess, and after that I'll give clue number 3. उसके बाद that will be very easy.
अच्छा, clue number 3 ले लेते हैं.
No. Give another clue.
Part of USSR, you're saying.
हाँ, was previously part of USSR.
Azerbaijan.
That is the right answer. It is Azerbaijan.
0.5 marks ना हिंट के
No,
बाद मेरा
No, I
इसलिए.
get 1.
This is 1.
यार हिंट के बाद भी वो
नहीं,
हर क्विज में हिंट के बाद हाफ करते हैं
अरे
marks.
rules are rules. ठीक
हाँ,
है.
hint के बाद हाफ मैं नहीं बोला.
3.5. It was 4:3.5. Now
हाँ.
I'm 4.5:4.
4.5 is to 4.
यार.
This is Azeri dance. Azeri. I think उनकी बहुत सारे डांस होते हैं. This is from the country of My last
थोड़ा
clue would
सा
have been
सोचते
this capital of this country. I mean, the name of the capital of this country starts with the letter B. Would you have got it after that?
नहीं.
एक बगदाद होता आपके पास और क्या होता? ज्यादा ऑप्शन ही क्या है आपके पास?
Azerbaijan's capital is. What is it?
बाकू.
Baku.
हाँ, वो भी तो होता है. लेबनान का कैपिटल भी तो है बी से.
क्या है?
Beirut.
बेरूट.
Beirut है.
बेरूट. हाँ, so
बी से ही है ना.
ज्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं थे आपके पास.
बेईमान दिल बड़ा बेईमान होता नहीं आसान मुझे तड़पाना तेरी यादों में भी तू हाँ कैसे मैं जीतूं हाँ कैसी ये तलब
Don't
लग
come
गई।
close. Fucking
मुझे
stay
तो तेरी
away.
लत लग गई लग गई
Why?
चाहे लगती
Chi 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 chi
मुझे तो
chi.
तेरी लत लग गई मुझे तो तेरी
बस कर भैंचोद. चीतिया साला.
One good way of torture will be while this guy is doing this dance.
किसी के सामने चेयर पे बांध दो.
हाँ, और नहीं तो आप this guy dances on a glass stage and you are underneath it. Like वो Russian dance में जैसा नहीं था.
Oh shit.
काली गांड बहुत ज्यादा वाले.
Shit.
Fuck. Oh.
This guy's got beaten up multiple times.
Yeah.
By the way, एक दो बार नहीं काफी बार मार खाए भाई साहब.
किसी एक रेडियो स्टेशन ने इसको फेक वीडियो भी बनाई थी जिसमें उसकी आरजे इसको थप्पड़ मार रही है.
How do you mean?
So he loves being in the news.
Okay.
नाम is
Any
दीपक
means.
कलाल by the way.
दीपक कलाल
Okay.
by any means.
Okay.
कुछ भी करेगा लेकिन
Alright.
न्यूज में रहेगा.
Okay.
It can be abusing हिंदुस्तानी भाव वो जो बंदा था.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. It can be faking a marriage with Rakhi Sawant, coming organizing a press conference telling कि हम सुहागरात में ऋतिक रोशन को बुलाएंगे वगैरह वगैरह.
So he does all of this.
He does all of that. So he faked. बोला नहीं है फेक है बट बहुत एविडेंटली लग रहा था कि रिग किया है उस रेडियो स्टेशन ने. वह एक फीमेल आर्टिस्ट को बुलाती है, बोलती है कि
वो मेरा रेडियो स्टेशन नहीं है ना.
आई डोंट नो आपका हो सकता है या फिर हो सकता है नॉट अलाउड वाले का.
Not allowed.
Not allowed.
काट दे anyway क्या है.
तो अब यहाँ का नहीं है, कुछ होगा राजस्थान दिल्ली कहीं का होगा. वहाँ पे बुलाया, लड़की की बात कर रही थी तो इसने बोला लड़कियां साली काम करने के लिए होती है, इस टाइप से कुछ जानबूझ के बुलाया. तो आरजे ने शायद थप्पड़ मारा और उसको क्या बोलते स्टूडियो से बाहर भगा दिया. वो वीडियो पे आया है, बहुत क्लियरली पता चल रहा है कि वो फेक है. हालांकि लोगों को तो नहीं पता चलेगा.
But what's his day job? Does he have a day job? Does
नहीं, I don't know.
He's a YouTuber now. I think he was working in the hotel industry.
Okay.
Way back. After that, I think 2011-12 में उसने एक वीडियो बनाया जहाँ पर वो कश्मीर की तारीफ कर रहा था.
Okay.
He intends his videos to be like this, to be kind of funny.
Okay.
कश्मीर की तारीफ कर रहा था and he was very vocal about his love for Kashmir. I think one of the Kashmir travel agency is something that they've also put him like the brand ambassador of Kashmir. ऐसा भी किया है. So he
ऐसा
wants
क्यों किया
कश्मीर में
यार?
पीस चाहे. बट मेरे को बुरा लगा इस बंदे के लिए. थप्पड़ अप्पड़ तो खा रहा है भाई. सब इसके साथ कुछ तो वो था दिल्ली मेट्रो में, तो लड़की ऐसे पिक्चर ले रही थी जितना मैंने पढ़ा कहीं पर. तो देन ही ऑब्जेक्ट्स टू दैट एंड देन ही हैज एन ऑल्टरकेशन विद द लेडी एंड देन लेडी स्लैप्स हिम in Delhi metro. Then the other guys and all, they push him out of the metro. Then later on, this guy with his camera accosts the guy at Rajiv Chowk. I don't know how he found that guy out, but then he tells him कि तुमको पता है तुमने मुझे थप्पड़ मारे, तुमने मुझे थप्पड़ मारे थे वगैरह वगैरह करके. And then
He would have rigged it.
हाँ, and then he gets slapped again. By the way.
पहले उनकी मर्जी थी, अब मेरी मर्जी है.
He slaps that guy. He tells the guy, you for because you wanted to be a hero in front of the girl. He says, no, मेरे sibling की तरह something happens, and then he slaps that guy, and then this guy beats him up again.
ये क्या है यार?
Dickhead.
अच्छा, इसके YouTube subscriber मुझे नहीं पता है. Somehow I couldn't see it. Either is
हाँ,
hidden
इसने
it.
हाइड कर रखा होगा Amazon
हाँ,
तभी.
YouTube subscribers are hidden. Instagram में this guy has 3,507 posts. How many subscribers would he have on Instagram?
Followers, you mean?
Followers would he have on Instagram?
अगर ये मैं हारा तो मैं बहुत रिग्रेट करूंगा इस सीन को जब मैंने
Okay.
देख दिया.
All right, Rohan, go.
पहले नीला
I same.
Same, no.
500K.
Okay, you
1.2.
million.
Yeah.
Rohan, you win this episode.
Yes. Yes.
Good,
Oh
good.
भाई.
Fuck.
Now
With a 0.5, it was a good finale to the three.
वो सब
last
छोड़ो.
three.
Yeah, yeah.
अब
बस हो गया, हो
मैं
गया.
गरीब हूँ.
Yes,
Today एक सेकंड मेरे को अनाउंस करने दो.
There's
Today
no challenge like that.
there is a challenge.
I-
You've gone on record.
No,
मेरे
I'm
पास
not-
है Instagram story है. You've said that.
Never.
You have to.
You-
मान ही नहीं दे कुछ.
If you want me, no, it's not possible.
नहीं नहीं, it is you. अरे
No, you do this and we will put it at the end of this video.
हाँ,
What will I do?
आपको अलग से Instagram पे अपलोड नहीं करना है.
स्टोरी डाल देंगे यार.
No, no stories.
The story is for 24 hours only.
Yeah, but I'm not putting.
It only 300-400 people will see it. Suppose. I'm just
भाई
saying.
ये तो गलत बात है यार. ये आपने अपने फैंस के साथ धोखा किया.
अच्छा, इस YouTube वीडियो में तो जाएगा end में. The video today will end with Niladri doing this one. Since you promised, which is why I asked you in the car park.
एंड नीलाद्री सर का रिएक्शन क्या था बताना जरा.
क्या?
कैन यू
हाँ.
डू इट? विल यू डू इट? तो क्या रिएक्शन था?
Yeah, if I have to do it, no. That's what he said. No, have to do it.
हाँ.
This guy had 115K Instagram followers. Or should we go into, since the difference is only 0.5?
नहीं, नहीं.
If this was Rohan's this
नहीं,
thing,
भाई.
should we go into 2 more questions and see who wins
Yeah,
it?
yeah, let's do it.
नहीं नहीं नहीं
2 more
नहीं, यार,
questions.
नहीं नहीं. We'll ऐसे फ्रेंडली कर देते हैं. फ्रेंडली उनको मॉरल सपोर्ट के लिए.
Two more
लेकिन
que-
नहीं नहीं.
2 more questions.
This match is over.
2 more
ठीक है?
questions.
नहीं.
2 more
Match
questions.
is over.
Why are you so low on confidence
नहीं,
suddenly?
नहीं, नहीं, I'm-
2
Okay,
more
okay,
questions.
just I say, the first inscription of dance, the first evidence of dance was found in which modern day country?
ये क्या ऐसे बोलना है मौखिक?
हाँ, बोलना.
Africa. Oh, but it's continent, no? That's
हाँ,
continent.
modern day country.
कंट्री
Spain.
इंडिया ही होगा. इंडिया.
Right, India.
India, is it?
Yeah, cave inscriptions 9,000 odd years
BC.
ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were found in India. Of course, mostly
So
for religious
no
purposes.
use. Even if this was a
The dance that you saw, that bamboo thing which you call, which is actually called tinkling dance.
Tinkling dance.
Tinkling dance.
लेकिन ये आसाम का है शायद ऐसे.
Assam or Meghalaya.
Huh, so
one of
these
them.
are this is basically from Philippines. So they have a different form of the dance, obviously. These guys are mimicking an animal.
Which animal?
That's the question. Don't ask me.
कहाँ से? फिलीपींस ना.
Deer.
मुर्गी. No?
No.
Has to be a bird. Ostrich.
No, bird. Animal bola na.
पहले दो आंसर were thereabouts.
भालू.
Just to say one word. You don't have to give me the specific type of that animal.
Birds.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
So-
ओ ये
So,
था क्या?
yeah. This is a bird. It's called tickling bird करके, who moves around the grass like this.
Yeah.
करके.
See, I guessed it.
हाँ.
So anyways,
हाँ,
even
anyway
if
आप
this
हारते
was
हैं.
included,
One of the
आपकी बेइज्जती
one of the
ज़्यादा
one of the
होती है,
states in India has adopted Malkham as their state sport. It's not Maharashtra.
it is Haryana.
No.
Punjab.
Oh, Bengal.
Nope.
Bengal नहीं है.
Madhya Pradesh.
Yes. Madhya Pradesh had adopted it
Shit.
in about 2013 or 2014 वगैरह करके.
Shit.
Alright, so at the end of Normie 7, Rohan is the winner. Apart
Try
from
series is over.
apart from not having to do that मैं गरीब हूँ video, Niladri, you have to do it
You
for the
have to
YouTube
do it,
video.
यार. Please.
At the end of the YouTube
Yeah,
video.
you fuckers will cut that and make stories out of it.
नहीं
and
यार,
that
why
will go
नहीं?
around.
Achha, stories we will debate later. But
But what about, okay, don't put this on this thing, but what about the ones who watch the video? They'll cut and put, no?
नहीं, they'll
then don't
not.
share it.
हाँ, don't share it. आपके इस पे नहीं दिखेगा.
Are they? But they will be doing it, right?
नहीं, they will not.
Okay,
Alright.
what are the lines?
Okay,
मैं
wait, wait,
गरीब
wait.
हूँ.
Then
मेरे
You
मम्मी
can-
पापा ने मुझे गरीब पैदा
Or
किया
you
है.
can
मेरे
do it.
मम्मी पापा ने मुझे
गरीब पैदा
Niladri, you
किया
can
है.
also do your version of it.
हाँ.
कि मैं rich हूँ.
ए नहीं,
मैं
नहीं, ये वो बोलेंगे कि
मेरे
नहीं.
मम्मी पापा ने मुझे गरीब जन्म दिया था लेकिन मैं रिच हूँ.
नहीं.
कोडे में मेरे 2 बंगलो है.
So I'll do it in my way, like
नहीं,
Rahul said.
you
You
have
can-
to replicate.
Replicate
no,
the
no.
actions.
हाँ, ऐसे.
Words can be different.
फिर एंड में ऐसा होना चाहिए.
That was the other video.
No, same video.
Same video.
Alright, wait, hold on. Okay, the Rohan wins Kurk pepper powder.
No,
Just show it to
Okay,
people,
yeah,
no?
yeah.
wow. Just because you didn't get it.
Okay, so Kurk cardamom. Remember, if you think that tastes well, you haven't tasted the taste of Kurk.
But Niladri has tasted defeat
Yeah.
2 times in a row. How
However,
was it?
having said that, this was a pretty close match.
The first and the third
so
were very
as
close.
as a victor, you might
Yeah.
also want to applaud the other team.
No.
Be gracious. Be sporty.
Be gracious in
Yeah.
defeat. Oh, sorry, victory.
Yeah. But it was good, yeah. Some great dance.
Huh.
I loved some of the videos. I mean, they were not, a couple of them
Which
were
was the
cringe.
most fascinating?
That those girls moving
हाँ,
like,
that was unique.
the girls moving like
बहुत ही अजीब.
That was something which fascinating. Also looks good.
Yeah.
हाँ.
But I,
Azerbaijan was fascinating, but
I didn't find it pretty.
yeah.
no, I liked the other one who was you asked, no, what's the name of the event?
Youth America Grand Prix.
Yeah, I liked the Grand Prix girl. I thought she had something different, something very. I got 0.5. for that.
If he had, if
Shameless
I had
fucker.
not given, if I had given full marks for that,
You would have gone.
which technically I should have.
नहीं.
Yeah, you
Which
won
are
it.
anyways, उसका-
You won it like how England won the World Cup, okay?
Huh.
When Ben Stokes hit the ball and the ball went to the
It's okay.
boundary. That's
After
how
that-
you won it. You fucking, thank your
After that-
stars.
If Rohan had given that PRIX as an answer,
Yeah.
he wouldn't have let go of that 0.5
Now, if I want to review the results, I should be able to. And if I get that 0.5 back, what
Yeah.
would the score be at?
It'll be 7-5.
No.
No.
2 क्वेश्चन मैं जीता
No.
ना उसके बाद जो
उसके
आपने.
बाद मैं
No,
तो बोला तो
those were not counted.
both of you disagreed.
Those were not counted.
हाँ.
But
So if
at the
I,
end of the
for
day, मैं
example,
जीता.
for example, I take that 0.5 points now. It's a tie.
But you did not.
It's a tie.
It's a tie, and you have a
And
chance
it's a
now.
tie, and then both of you had to agree to those questions
Yeah.
being in the point
But
system,
let's-
which Niladri agreed.
But umpire's decision was final decision.
So
What did umpire decide?
I'm putting it in front of the umpire that
हाँ, बता दो यार
if I have to
शायद.
review,
आप बताओ,
if I
आप
have
review
to,
कर रहे हो क्या?
if I have to review, should we? Can I look for a tie and then I put a toss and I'll say,
बताओ आपका decision final. Cheating नहीं करने
No,
का.
both of you had agreed to 0.5 then. Both of you had agreed to 0.5 then. See, technically now, come back to think of it. If by numbers, when we decide which number is closer to the original number, if we had to decide that with the Youth America Grand Prix, we should have given full marks to you. But only one of those 4 words were right, so 0.5 is okay. We end the video here today. Guys, so a lot of you are watching those videos.
Subscribe.
We are putting out videos consistently every week, one of them almost. Sometimes we fail. But about what 80% people don't subscribe
Yeah,
to it?
82.6.
82% people don't subscribe. Like, why? If you're watching this video, like,
Subscribe.
yeah. I
And
mean,
also shop from Taste of Cool. इसमें इतने सारे copyright anyways आ जाते हैं.
yeah, we are just doing this for your entertainment.
yeah,
So,
because हम लोग को पैसे तो नहीं मिल रहे. Taste of Cool से अलग है.
yeah, Taste of Cook pays us a lot of money.
Huge.
Yeah, so it's massive. I mean,
Yeah.
what can I say?
I just bought a helicopter.
Yeah.
बेबो के घर पे 2 वक्त की पेडिग्री आ जाती है.
Alright, so we please subscribe to our videos, and we are all of super available on Instagram. So we guys will see you there on Instagram. Apart from that, we will end here, and Niladri will do this thing. No.
हाँ, मैं
Final
गरीब
words.
हूँ.
Final words. Anything?
Final words. It was a great try series. 2 close matches, 1 horrible. disaster, but yeah, good fun.
Now we'll cut the video
In
and
my
then
version.
हाँ
नहीं ऐसे नहीं, we will take out
हाँ.
this camera, अलग से रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, don't worry. आप
No,
copy
that's
करने की
that's not the. It should be on the video, right?
नहीं.
करेक्ट सो वीडियो के अंत में डालेंगे तो
ऐसे
कहीं
एडिट
भी
करने
record
का एक
करो।
ऑप्शन होता है
हाँ.
जिसमें हम 2 वीडियोस को आप यकीन नहीं मानोगे
एक मिनट रुक जा. So I'll do it to this camera now.
करेक्ट सो वो कैमरा आपके पास ले जाएंगे
पास ले जाएंगे,
इतना
दूर
दूर
से
से क्यों
करेंगे.
करोगे?
यहाँ पे एनीवेज बहुत सारा वो आपको विल शो यू द
But I
वीडियो.
want you to be in the frame.
नहीं ये मेरे पे जोक वोक मारने का प्लान
नहीं.
कर रहे हैं.
आज फिर अरे सब में तेरे को प्रॉब्लम है
You
यार.
want me to do मैं गरीब हूँ and you're
हाँ.
not willing to take a joke.
हाँ
मैं जीता हूँ, मैं जोक क्यों लूंगा लेकिन
अरे
यार?
What
हाँ,
is
आज
this?
ये तो
यार ये बहुत अनफेयर मैच करते हो यार आप लोग.
All right. See you next week.
हाँ
होपफुली.
मैं बहुत खुश नसीब हूँ, मैं गरीब हूँ.
चल गांडू. चल गरीब हो, बोल दिया ना गरीब हो तो क्या करे? पैसा चाहिए, क्या चाहिए इसको? मैं गरीब हूँ, मैं चितिया हूँ, लाडू हूँ. Fucking. मैं गरीब हूँ, मेरी मम्मी पापा ने मुझे गरीब जन्म दिया है, ये चूतिया है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
करो ना
हो गया.
ये करो ना एक बार.
Caught up in a run, yeah. Smoking up in jams, we passing puff, yeah. Getting them in my neighborhood, yeah. Feel like I've been cursed, yeah. Getting big high, oh yeah. Smoking in my eyes, gon' say. Then I'm gonna slide in the booth and get hit, so the back of my car, okay. Go through the gang, if I live in the corner, if you see, cause if I gon' change. I got a bag full of stash, on me, no one, man, cause you're not in there.